This is Kurt. Kurt is our head of HR. And well, let's just say Kurt is no technical genius. That's why Kurt tests all our products. Today, he's testing Juice Charger 2. The aim is to attach it to a wall, connect it to a power supply, and even apply the right settings. All components are supplied securely packed. Open the cover of the Juice Charger using the key. The Juice Booster can be inserted later as a charging unit. Kurt? That's just the warranty card. First, he needs to attach the Type 2 holder. Then he can just drill the middle hole at the top and hang the wall charging station from this. Now it's simplicity itself to open the cover and drill both bottom assembly holes in the wall. Very good. There you go. The charging station is in position. To use the Juice Charger 2, Kurt just has to connect the power supply. By opening the cable cover and taking out the cable gland. Don't forget that a charging station always needs to be connected by an expert. He will certainly need to ask an electrician to help him connect the individual wires. Put the cable gland back and close the cover. Now the Juice Booster is installed as a charging unit. If you want to use it on longer journeys, you can simply take it with you. Kurt can connect the Juice Charger 2 to the back end online using the Ethernet cable. All done. Cover back on. Does the wall box work?
Strom! Yeah! Geil!
Very well done, Kurt. As soon as the Juice Charger is connected to the power supply, it emits a Wi-Fi signal. And Kurt can change the settings directly from his mobile phone.
Meines Vertrauens.
See the supplied quick start sheet for login details and all the individual steps.
Doppelpunkt. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Juice Charger 2 is set to offer free charging as standard.
Fertig. Aktiviert. Geil.
But what if Kurt wants to change it to be activated via RFID cards?
Und? Was soll ich mit dem?
Verbinden.
Verbinden?
All he has to do is change the mode to local list in the settings. He can then enter any RFID card directly using RFID learning mode.
Cool. Cool. Lässig.
Our products are meant to be easy, fast, and safe to use. And if Kurt can do it, you can too. Good job, Kurt.
Hey! Danke schön! Danke, danke! Tschüss! Ist gut.